Yo guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can write your product description for your dropshipping product or any Shopify product or any other product page you have in 10 seconds using Jarvis. It's really easy, it's really comfortable. Stay tuned, stay with me guys, it's going to be really fast in 60 seconds. Bye-bye. Hello guys, I'm back. So actually what I want to show you is really easy and comfortable to work with Jarvis when you create a product description. It's really easy, straight to the point, and what you need to do with your dropshipping products is actually take them to the sky while you can skyrocket your ranking with SEO. So basically what you do is really simple. I just open two dropshipping products over here, and what I'm going to do is go to product description by Jarvis over here. And what we are going to do is taking some text from the title. You can pick your own and tell us about the product. This is where you put the Jarvis. About that, you just need to put your company. Okay, we can do that like AliExpress, just for the demonstration. And we go with tone of voice like witty. That's it. You can do 2 or 3 outputs and boom. In less than 10 seconds, you have a product description. So basically we give some line of content for Jarvis about AliExpress, about the title of the product, and this is what we got. Looking for luxuries, way to store your jewelry, this 2020, blah, blah, blah. This one actually can help you definitely to rank higher in SEO and also looks good when you try to sell a product. What I want to do is just go to another product and take, for example, this kind of product and put it on this product description. And we can put like 1 output or 2 or even 3 outputs. All right, so the second product, less than 10 seconds, boom. You have additional 3 product descriptions. Of course, you can pick which one of them. If you want, you can customize to your own needs or add some keyword, but actually it's really easy to do that with Jarvis because you can then schedule and edit ton of product descriptions. That's it guys, thank you so much, bye-bye.